I got to admit, this is another one of the videos on my channel that might be a little bit selfish of me. Anthony Sequeira here, your faithful host, and I need to just vent a little bit. So thank you for watching. This is the kind of crap that just really annoys me. So I just installed Slack in my Windows 11 machine. I need this because as a senior technical instructor at Splunk, I need to be able to launch Slack whenever I need to on this machine. So I come here after the install. It's got to be a couple weeks since the install. And I realized, boy, I really want a quick way to launch Slack. And so I come in here and I say, all right, well, it's got to be like automatically pinned or something, right? And I look for Slack and it's not automatically pinned. Now, I don't know what determines what gets pinned here and what doesn't, but I would have to think that since Microsoft has their own teams, they're not going to be in any hurry to make it easy for me to find Slack. That's, I guess, the conspiracy theorist in me. But let me come up here and do my search for Slack. Okay, and there's my Slack app. Don't want to search for that every time. Thank you very much. So I'm going to say pin to start. All right, great. So what does that mean? Well, it means that now when I come down to the start button, oh, are you kidding me? No Slack. Why? Well, because it's the last entry in the pinned apps. You watch. There will be a little update involving Windows 11. You watch, and it will be fixing this annoyance. Now I have to figure out how to get it up to the very first position where Microsoft should have put it by default. All right. I feel so much better. I hope you do too. Thanks for watching.